When you first open Revit, this is the view you will see. Let me introduce you to the ribbon. The ribbon. At the top of the screen is the ribbon. It is your go-to toolbox, equipped with all the tools you need to bring design to life. It adapts to your screen size, so everything fits just right. It is divided into tabs. You can move effortlessly through the tabs by clicking on any tab. When you click on a tab, the Modify tab appears, showing more tools that relates to the task at hand. For example, click on the Annotate tab and then select the Align Dimension tool. Observe how the Modify tab now extends to provide context for the Align Dimension tools. That is, more tools is now visible. The Modify tab is also a contextual ribbon tab that showcases all the tools relevant to the current selected tool. To exit the contextual tab, select the Modify icon, that is the arrow icon, or just press Escape on your keyboard.